let's get straight to it. As of December 2025, you cannot directly use Chase Ultimate Rewards UR points to pay for Airbnb stays. Chase doesn't have a direct partnership with Airbnb for point redemptions. So, unlike some other rewards programs, you can't simply transfer your UR points to Airbnb or use them within the Airbnb platform. But don't worry, there are workarounds, which we'll cover in this video. While direct redemption isn't possible, here's how you can still use your UR points for Airbnb-related travel. A popular method is to transfer your UR points to programs like American Express Membership Rewards, which does allow point usage on Airbnb. This is possible with Chase's Flexible Transfers feature. Use your UR points to book flights or other travel expenses to your Airbnb destination through the Chase portal. This frees up cash that you can then use to pay for the Airbnb itself. As a last resort, you can cash out your UR points for statement credit or gift cards, and then use that money to pay for your Airbnb. However, this usually gives you the lowest value per point. Remember to compare point values and transfer ratios to ensure you're getting the most out of your rewards. Let's visualize the difference.